Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's so nice to meet you. If we've never met before, hi, I'm Candus Kampfer. I am the creator of Confidence QuickBooks and QuickBooks Simplified, and I have all kinds of tips and tricks here on YouTube for you. I am so excited. Whether you are brand new or you've been using QuickBooks for a little while, you are in the perfect place. So I wanted to do this video to kind of show you how to optimize the channel, how to go in and find the different categories that we have for you, and how to even use the search feature. So let's jump in and I will show you what it looks like. So this is inside of our YouTube channel. If it's your first time being here, woohoo! If you come regularly, awesome. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I love getting to help you with your QuickBooks. So you'll notice as you scroll through, if you're a desktop user or our general tips get put up here, you'll see it says QuickBooks Tips and Tricks. We are on the homepage. As you scroll down, you will see we have tips for online. Sometimes they're the same and sometimes they're different. We also have workshops. So if you're looking for training on 1099s, those types of things, you're going to find that there. We have our popular uploads. This is where our most popular videos, whether they're about credit cards, setting up loans, you will find. We also give you business. I love to give business inspiration, insights, tips that I have, whether it's about goal setting, how to maybe build a team, things to consider. You will find those here. I also have shorts. This is something newer on YouTube. They're 30 seconds usually, or at least under a minute videos that give you a quick tip or trick. So check those out. If you have never been here before, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time we put up a new video. And then here under the search, did you know you can actually do a search? So let's say that you wanted to watch my videos on our credit cards. You can literally type in credit card here and find the different options. Yes, we do have what's called playlists, and we have different categories of videos, whether it's how to back up your QuickBooks, how to use retained earnings, setting up loans. We have all of those and more. You can always click this little arrow to find all of our other ones. But if you are searching, or maybe you're watching this video directly from my blog, you can do a search as well. So when you go to canduskapfer.com, that's where you're at, or you're getting my weekly tips and tricks that we send out so that you don't miss any. You can go here to QuickBooks Tips and Tricks under our blog, and you'll notice it brings you to the front. And then you'll see over here to the right, you could do a search. So maybe you want to type in corporate credit cards or something like that. You'll find all of our videos here as well. And you can always click on them. When you click on a video, you'll notice there's a YouTube button here. So if you want to go straight to YouTube to check it out, you can. So when you click on the video, it will take you there. Thank you so much for being part of my community. I love getting to create tips for you. Let me know down below, what are you most excited to learn with QuickBooks? Maybe what are you struggling with, and what video has helped you the most? Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I can't wait to see you inside our next tips and tricks. Stay tuned. We will be putting one up every single week. Have a great day.